What's up, Creation fam? Welcome back to another video. And today we're making peach ring Jello shots. And we're gonna start off with at least 2 small packages of peach Jello. You got the famous peach rings. We got this crown right here. I'm gonna tell you more about it later. Oh, this ain't crown, but you know what it is. And we got this right here, Minute Maid peach. You can't go wrong with Minute Maid. Before we get started, we're gonna change up the Jello shot ingredients a little bit. Usually you put 1 cup or 2 cups of water in here, but we're gonna change that and put 2 cups of our peach drink and boil it on the stove. We want all flavor we can get. We want this to be the most tastiest drink. I do not want no watered down Jello shot. So let me go and do this and I get back to you. Alright, so while we wait for that to finish boiling, I already go ahead and set up the Jello shots and how they're gonna be. But I told you I was gonna tell y'all about this right here. Ensign, I wanna say crown. But the reason I want to say crown is because of this right here. The founder of this company, he was a part of the creation of Crown Royal, but he sold his share and made his own stuff. The bottle looked the same as Crown, or the big bottle of Crown. You know, some people say it tastes better. Some people say it tastes the same, but it ain't less. It tastes the same as Crown, and it's cheaper than Crown because this was only $20 right here instead of you paying $30-some for the peach Crown. This is you want to call it the knockoff version, but the owner that made Crown made this too. So I have my 2 cups of peach Minute Maid already boiled, and I have my Jello shot mixture in a bowl. So now I'm about to get ready to pour this in. After you pour it in, you gotta stir it until it dissolves. Now that I've stirred my mixture together, now I need 1 cup of my chilled peach drink. You can see something through this. We're gonna be professional. And gotta be chilled, y'all, so the Jello mixture can harden up faster. That's 1 cup right there. We don't want to get everybody too wasted. So we're just gonna stir. After that, and then we pour. So I'll show y'all when I finish. Alright, there you go right there. As you can see, some of them are flipped and some of them not. The reason we flip some, so the ones that's flipped will be easier access to get out quicker instead of using your hands, you know. I don't know what y'all got going on, if you want to use your hands or not. So, but, you know, these will be easier, the ones that are flipped upside down. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator. Let them chill until they're getting hard. See y'all soon. Alright, now we're back. These right here, they didn't take that long. Only about 4 hours to get hard. But I wanted to wait 24 hours to just let the alcohol sit, soak into the candy, so everything can be hidden all together. So let's go ahead and try it. So this is the one I flipped upside down. As you can tell, they are flipped in these. This one is regular. This is regular. Flip. This is gonna be easier to get out. So look, see it's sitting at the top. You know, I don't know how y'all do it or whatever. You take your little finger. Oh shoot, you just take it all out like this. The whole thing came out with 1 screw. Yeah, you taste that liquor. These are really good. You can taste the liquor and these are really good. I think these gonna catch up on you. And then alcohol did soak into the peach ring. So hey, follow my recipe. I put the ingredients and everything I did and the instructions and the link down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.